Alright guys, welcome back to the sawmill. It's Friday, December the 14th. I think that's the date. And terrible weather this past week. A very uneventful week here at the mill. That's why I've not seen any videos come out. We got about 13 or 12 or 13 inches of snow on Saturday night. And it has stuck around all week. And we're still dealing with it here today. And Bruno's been out of school all week. So I've been with him every day this week and not getting anything done here at the mill. That's why I've not seen any videos come out. But they're calling for rain all this weekend, so it should get this snow out of here. It's supposed to be up in the 50s also. So hopefully by first of the week, things will be back to normal. Anyways guys, this is a short video today and it's about this hat that I'm wearing. Let me bring it in here close so you guys can see it. And I'll put some still shots up as well. But these are the hats we just had made. I got 6 of them to try out as like a demo to see if I like the quality, and they're pretty good. They embroider them down in Florida, and these are flex fit hats. I really like that style hat. There's 2 different sizes. There's no adjuster in the back, it's just by elastic. And there's 2 different sizes. There's large and extra large. That's what I got, and I have a really big head, so it fits me pretty good. And there's a medium size, so there's 2 different sizes. And just one color being this gray right here. And as you can tell, they embroidered the name of the mill on there, the location. It's kind of similar to what the t-shirt says that we sell also. It's a pretty nice hat. I had a lot of people when I do the shirt sales ask me if I sell hats, and it took me a little while to finally ascertain a company that sells some that makes a decent hat. And actually the t-shirt company that does our shirts are making hats once again, so that's who's making these. And pretty nice hat. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. So we're going to offer these for sale, and here's how it's going to work. It's going to work very similar to how the t-shirts work. I don't know how many people's going to buy them. You know, I may sell 50 of them, 20 of them, may just sell 10 of them. So it's kind of hard for me to anticipate the sales of these things, so I don't want to order 50 of them or 100 of them and get stuck with them. So what I'm going to do is, just like the t-shirts, is for the next 5 days, today's the 14th, so on December the 19th we'll stop this sale. For the next 5 days, you can go over to the website and there's a link down below in the video description to that and order your hat. And after 5 days is over, I'll go ahead and place the order with the company, and it takes them about 10 business days. Well, I guess that's 2 weeks. It takes them about 2 weeks to get these hats made and shipped up here to me. So Wednesday when the sale ends, I'll cut the website off and we'll go ahead and place the order. And 2 weeks later, the hats will arrive, and as always, I ship them the day that we get them. But anyways, guys, for $26, that's free shipping and everything. It includes the little cardboard box. That way you get a hat that comes to you and it's not been crushed. You know, if I was going to do it in bags, I wouldn't even ship them out, and I just wouldn't do this because that's just terrible. I've gotten hats in the mail before. It comes in those bags, and they're crushed. You can't never get that back in them. But anyways, guys, they're on the website. Check out the link below. You can pay with PayPal or a credit card or your Visa check card through your bank or what have you. I've got all the options on there, and I'll keep you up to date as soon as they arrive as far as the date they shipped out to you. And if you pay by PayPal, I think that PayPal will automatically give you a shipping tracking number whenever you buy it, or whenever I ship it rather. That's one advantage of PayPal. They keep up with that stuff. So anyways, guys, as always, all proceeds will go right back into the sawmill here, and I appreciate you supporting us here. And it's a pretty good looking hat, actually. I'm pretty happy with it. This ain't a sales pitch by no means. I don't care if I sell 20 of them or 100 of them. I'm just doing this mainly because you guys have wanted me to get one, and I'm kind of happy I did it now. They turned out pretty good. And one last thing, you guys on Patreon, I appreciate your support as always. And if you're interested in that also and helping the channel, there's links down below to that one. Should have some better weather by next week, and hopefully get the sawmill going. It's about to drive me crazy. I've not sawed, I think it's 1st of September, maybe the end of August. So anyways, guys, appreciate you watching. If you want one of these hats, go to the link down below, and we'll see you back here sooner than later, hopefully.